Welcome to this tutorial, where I'll show you how to add interactive mouse effects to your website. Mouse effect, a visual animation that reacts to the movement of the user's mouse pointer. First, open the website section where you want to display the mouse effect. Next, go to the Advanced Settings from the General panel. Locate the mouse effects option and click to expand it. Now, turn the mouse effect toggle button on. Here, you can customize it further. Open the mouse track settings. Then adjust rotate settings and adjust the direction and speed. Next, open the 3D tilt settings. From here, fine-tune the direction and speed for the tilt animation. Once you're done, click on the Save button to apply all the changes. Finally, preview the page to see your newly created mouse effects live on the front end. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and customize mouse effects on your website. With features like rotation, tracking, and 3D tilt, you can create highly interactive designs that respond to user movement in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more web design tips and tutorials.